Hello darlings, thank you all so much for tuning in. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this low sleek bun. I literally just pulled this hairstyle from my hair and decided to film it so you all could see how I achieved this style. So I hope you all enjoy. So first I'm going to start off by sectioning off my hair into smaller portions. This way it'll be easier to manipulate the hair and to give it a more sleek look. So I'm just parting the back first. For the top, since I'm going around with it, I'm gonna part it kind of like a U. This you can do in smaller sections. It all depends on your hair type and how thick or how dry your hair is and how likely it is to be puffy when it's finished. But I think this section is normally okay for my hair. My hair tends to shrink up a lot and very quickly, so I'm just putting a little bit of water on it to give it a little bit more stretch. So I have my hair in 3 sections like so, and now I'm starting with the back section. You want to start by doing a little detangling with the hair first. Most times when I do my buns, it's always on hair that's not freshly washed. It doesn't have to be like dirty, but say I already did a style that I used gel in, then I just go straight into a bun after that, like a day or 2 after that. So if I did like a wash and go and I had like a lot of products on my hair and it feels a little bit more heavy, I tend to do a bun and then I shampoo my hair after I take down the bun. So I'm just brushing this in as neatly as I can, and then I'm going to apply some of my Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel to my hair. I also put a little on my ends. So now I'm brushing it in. This is the middle section. I'm brushing it in right now with the back section. You want to pin away your hair way better than I'm doing right now, because I'm a mess when it comes on to pinning away my hair. So yeah, this is better. And then I use my scrunchie now to catch up the entire section, like so. So we're just doing the same procedure each time and sleeking it in with the balance of the hair that's at the back. We damp the hair with some water, then we detangle. I apply some more gel. Now I hold it in place like so, and I get ready to remove the scrunchie that's at the back. So I start to slide it up a little. So now that our edges are laid, we're just gonna go ahead and put a scarf on it or something to just tie it down so that it can set in nicely. So I just combing it out a little bit, the ends, and damping it with some water.
Okay guys, that's it for this video. I thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please remember to click like, and if you would like to see more cool videos from yours truly, don't forget to subscribe.